and today we will check whether the equation is a quadratic or not, and if the maximum power of x is 2 and is said to be the quadratic equation, and this is a 2 factor, and we will do multiply this form, and this is 2x square, this multiplication this, and this multiplication this is x minus this multiply this 6x minus 3, and this is again this multiply this and both of them, and x square plus 5x, and we will simplify this, separate both the term, and this transfer into the left side, it will become minus x, this will become minus 5x, this transfer to this will minus 5x, this is minus 3, and this is a like term, then it will become minus 2, minus 10, minus 3, and here we can say, and this is a quadratic equation because the maximum power of x is 2. We will come other new question, and this is question is we will check this is a quadratic equation or not, and this is the cube term, and this we can write x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 a square 3 and into 3 a b square, and this again multiply this, and this is 2x cube and minus 2x, separate to the left side all terms, and this is x cube and this is x cube, and this is x square term, and this is x term 2 to the 4 3 is 12, and this is a x term, and this is an integer term plus 8. 2 to the power 3 is a 8, and we will check here minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8, and here we can see that the maximum power x is 3, and this term is not making this equation is a quadratic, and this is not a quadratic equation, and this is not a quadratic equation, and we will write the left term because it's already expanded form, and this is solve this a minus b ka whole cube, and this a cube minus b cube, 2 cube matlab minus 8 minus 3 x square into x plus 3a into b square, and transfer to the left side all of the digits, x cube, and this is minus x cube, this is minus 4x square, and this is x square term transfer to this side, and this will become plus 6x square, and this is x term, and here is this x term, this is x term 2 to the 4 3 is 12 minus x minus 12x, and this is a integer term, and again this is an integer term, and now we can check here is a 4 digit, and here is also a 4 digit, total 8 digit 2 4 6 and 8, and we can say that here is 0, and the x square term is 2x square, x term is minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0, because this is cancel out to minus or plus term, and here we can say this is a quadratic equation, and they will asking to you to form the quadratic equation, and we will do the numeric word problem. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square, and they will asking let assume breadth x, and according to question the length is 2 times of width and 1 more, and this is the length, and we can say the length and the breadth product of these, and this will become 528, and we will form the quadratic equation, and this x multiply with the both of the digit, and this will become 2x square plus x equal to 528, and now this will become 2x square plus x minus 528, and this is a quadratic equation formed by this concept. And the area of rectangle plot is this, and this is breadth, and this is length, and the product of two consecutive integer is the consecutive integer product of consecutive integer, and we can write only is 306. Now what is the meaning of consecutive and comes after the previous, and let's assume the first integer is x, and then second is x plus 1, and this is the consecutive integer, and according to question x and x plus 1, and this is a product means multiplication, and this will become 306, and now we will multiply this x square plus x equal to 306, and now x square plus x minus 306 is 0, and this is a quadratic equation. Product of two consecutive number is 306, and the first integer this and the second is this, and this is the product, or we can say multiplication this, and this is the quadratic equation, and we represent this as a quadratic equation, and they asking to us find the present age of the Rohan, and so we can write Rohan's present age equal to x year, and his mother is and this is a 20-year older than him, and this is the mother age of Rohan, and they asking to us the product of their age after 3 years, and the Rohan is after 3 years x plus 3, and the mother is after 3 years is x plus 29. This is the three both of the a's after 3 years, and the product of this a's is given is 360, and we can now write this, and this is the Rohan is after 3 years, and this is the his mother is after 3 years, and the product of this is 360, and we will do product, and this x multiply by this, and this will become x square plus 29x, and now we multiply this and this will become 3x, and this will become 57 360, and we now form the quadratic equation plus 32x minus 3 and this is 15 minus 8 7 is 2, and this is the quadratic equation formed by this concept, and this equation represent the Rohan present is in the next question, and the distance covered by train is 480 kilometer, and let's assume speed of train it's x kilometer per hour, and we calculate the time taken, and that t, this is the time taken, to cover the distance for a t. T1 is equal to 480 upon x, this is the hours. And asking the next concept, if the speed of the train is 8 km less, speed less equal to x minus 8 km per hour. If the speed is decreases, then distance the same cover, then time taken is increases. Again time taken, and this will become T2. This is 480 upon x minus 8. And now this one T2 and this T2 is 3 hour extra, and according to question 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 minus x upon x equal to 3, and we will do multiplication. 480x minus 480x into plus and this factor multiply by this factor multiply by this, and we will do 3x of x minus 8. This denominator part transfer to the this, and this are cancel out, and this will only 3800, and this will become 3x square, and this will become minus 24x, and this is the quadratic equation represent the speed of the train in a form of x, and we can write in another step. And this is the quadratic equation, and we will calculate the roots of this equation, and this is the x square term, this is the x term, and this is the integer term, and this 1 upon 8 factorization is kind of tough, and then we take the LCM, and then will become 60x square minus 8x plus 1 upon 8, and now we will transfer to this side, and now this term and this term we will do multiply, and this is a 16. The factor of 16 is do such a way that sum of this is 8, and now we can do 2 plus 8, 4 plus 4. Now we can write is 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, and we take 4x minus 1, we can take minus 4x minus 1, and this is 4x minus 1, and again 4x minus 1, The product of two linear pair is 0. Either both of them is 0. 4x minus 1. Then it will become 1 by 4. And from here also we can find the value of x is 1 by 4. And here is this is a solution of the quadratic equation, or we can say roots or zeros, whatever you can say. The same meaning all of the terms. The new quadratic equation we will do again by factorization method. We will do calculate the roots of this equation, and again root 2 and 5 root 2 multiplication, and then we have 10. The factor of 10, this will be the sum of this, and we can write 5 into 2. The sum of these two is 7. Then we can write this 2x, 5x, and we can take root 2x from here. This is only left x. Here is root 2. Because root 2 multiplication root 2 and become 2. And here we get 5. Then we have x left. Here is root 2. We have again two linear factor. This is a term factorization. And again we solve this. Find the value of x minus 5 upon 2. And these are the solution of this equation.